Hi guys, I'm getting ready to make my own greenhouse, and for that, because I'm doing it all by myself, is I put my boards up and I took 2 bricks on both sides to hold my boards up. There's a brick here also that will push this board forward, and you will need some screws, of course, and I'll have the exact materials underneath the video for you that I'm using in Dutch, and I also will try and find them in English. And I got like a hand screwdriver, so I'm not going to drill, I'm just going to use my hand screwdriver, and this is one that just kind of, you know, holds it when you need to push forward or backwards. And on the outside we're going to use these. I don't know if you can see that. These can go right around the corner, and on the inside I got 2 for these on the outside, and on the inside I only had enough money to do one, so I'm going to do one, a small one in the bottom, and then when I get more money I will do the one on the top also. But this is what your donations by buying patterns with the 50% discount is what I got so far. So I'm pretty happy that I can start phase 1 of the video. And I'm going to just put you a little higher and then show you what I'm doing on this side. Now we need to put this thing, this angle thing, on here. And it would help if you could pre-screw it. You know, if you have like a drill, or if your husband has a drill. I don't have anything, so I can try and pre-screw it a little bit with my hand. And then hopefully that will work by hand. And one is in, yay! And now I'm going to put in the other one first, on the other side. Now I've got to do the left side. I've got to make sure that the tops are like the same height. Got to do this with my left hand, a little bit more difficult because I got strawberries behind me in my way. Okay, well, I got the first ones in, and now I'm going to put the bottom ones in. Yay! And then this one. Okay. The wood is not very even. It's kind of bent, but once those corner ones go in for the bottom, that it will be okay. And then when you're done with that, I'm going to take that smaller one for the inside, and I'm going to do this one on the bottom first, and then when there's money, then I'm going to do the top one over here. So this is basically how I'm going to do all my corners. To put my to make my area ready for the greenhouse. This is like 2 meters by 2 meters. That's the size of the greenhouse. And yeah, before I'm gonna move anything, I'm gonna make sure that all the angles are where they're supposed to be. So that's it for part 1. I'm going to put the rest of them in, and I'm not going to move this until everything is screwed together, because I don't want it to fall apart because it's not supported enough. And yeah, then we'll be back for part 2. And if you would like to help me fund this greenhouse, because this part has already been funded by my beaders that are on Etsy with a discount of 50%. That discount is going to go until the end of the month. I hope you will support me so we can make part 2 of this video, and that would be getting the tubes to go from one side to the other, and then after that we need the plastic to go over it. So if you would like to support me making my greenhouse and showing how we continue from here on, there's a link underneath the video. If you're a beader, there's a 50% discount. You can click on the link and you can buy some patterns, and that will really help me out finishing up this greenhouse and making part 2 of the video. So see you guys next time. Bye.